Okay, this tutorial is about setting up Pretty Links. Pretty Links is a very basic plugin that helps you mask URLs. You guys have seen me use it in class with plw.me. And even though it's a straightforward plugin, it has an important element that I want you to see, and it's why I've asked you to install it into your site. So right now we are in plugins. I've already downloaded it and added it to my site. And if I go to Pretty Links down here and just click on it, I'm going to be taken to the interface of Pretty Links. But you're going to see this little error tag here. It says WordPress must be configured. Pretty Link won't work until you select a permalink structure other than default. So this is why I wanted you to install Pretty Link, because I want to talk to you about permalink structure. So to go to there, we could either click on this, but once we set up Pretty Link, this will go away. But it's important you know where permalink is. So if we go over to settings, it's actually the very last one right here. So if we click here, we're taken to a page that tells us exactly how our link structure is set up, or our permalink, or permanent link is what it stands for. So currently I'm on plain, so if I go to the front end of my website and I click on my blog, you're going to see right here it says $p=1, and that's this setting here. And that's what permalink is complaining about. Now you can choose any of these settings. You've seen where people have the dates that are in their settings, or you can have anything actually in there. But what I like to put in there is the post name. So I'll show you exactly what that means. If we come down here, we can do Save Changes. And now we're going to go to the front end of my site, and I'm going to refresh it. And if you see up here, it refreshed from $p=1 to hello world. So let's go talk about why this is important. So going back to the permalink settings, that's really all you need to do to set up Pretty Link. So if we go to Pretty Links, we'll see we don't have that warning anymore. Now to use Pretty Links, we hit Add Pretty Link here, and you're given all this stuff here, but all that really matters is your target URL and your Pretty Link. So let's say we wanted to mask byuh.edu, and we put just byuh here. Now you could have this. This is fine. I like to have a name associated with it so I know where it's going, but you can put anything in here. And then the rest of this stuff just doesn't matter. So particularly for what you'll be using Pretty Link for. So go ahead and hit Create. And when you hit Create, it now says, okay, right here is your link, and it's pointing to Brigham Young University. So let's grab our link here. So copy, we're going to put it up in here, and we're going to go to byuh.jdevcloud.com/byuh. So when I do that, it's saying, hey, you need to redirect to this URL. And if we go back to our site, we can see it takes us to BYU Hawaii. We go back to our site and we refresh it. Oh, actually it was already up. It shows that there was 1 out of 1 click. So it shows that one person, myself, took this link and went to that site. And this is a really basic way of just tracking clicks on links. It's not the full purpose of it, and the full purpose is for you to understand permalinks, but it also is helpful to track things, to make long URLs easier. Alright, that's everything on Pretty Link.